सेलिब्रिटी शेफ रणवीर ब्रार ने हाल ही में अपनी एक खास इच्छा जाहिर की। दरअसल वो लुंगी को मॉडर्न मेंस वियर में एक स्टाइलिश और फैशनेबल चॉइस बनाना चाहते हैं। 13 अप्रैल को रणवीर ने सभी को चौंका दिया जब उन्होंने एक प्रेस्टीजियस फैशन ब्रांड के लिए अपने रनवे डेब्यू में शो स्टॉपर बनकर रैंप पर एंट्री ली। अपने सिग्नेचर एलिगेंस और करिश्मा के साथ वो रैंप पर नजर आए। अपने फैशन सेंस के बारे में रणवीर ने कहा, मेरा फैशन सेंस सालों से इवॉल्व हुआ है। अब मैं अपने लिए ड्रेस करता हूँ। यही सबसे बड़ा चेंज है जो समय के साथ आया है। मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरा दिन कैसा भी हो, मेरे कपड़े मुझे एक्सप्रेस करें, लेकिन साथ ही साथ मैं कंफर्ट और फंक्शनैलिटी भी चाहता हूँ ताकि पूरा दिन उसी आउटफिट में आराम से रह सकूं।
Talking about the inspiration behind this collection, so tell us something about what was the inspiration behind this children's collection?
I think for everybody at INS, always a pleasure. For me, the inspiration that for me stood out is the ability to merge style, art, ease together in menswear that we normally see. And I think for me, the Raymond Chairman's collection, I call it very brush strokish. You know, sometimes the ease of a brush stroke when it reflects on what you're wearing and gets embroidered and etched on that, it adds a certain elegance and a certain ease at the same time. Makes me more approachable and yet confident in what I wear.
So, walking the ramp for Raymond today, what does the outfit say about your personal fashion style?
So for me, I think the ability to wear my confidence over whatever I'm wearing has always mattered. And the ability to carry something that feels a part of you, the ability to carry something that is easy on you, that sort of becomes you, expresses you well, is what came through for me when I was carrying this particular.
As Raymond suits gives us the memory of a wedding day, so how much do you remember your wedding day? Any nostalgic moment from your wedding?
I think I can't say, nobody can say they don't remember their wedding day unless they want to get killed at home. But we very clearly, I think everybody remembers their wedding days. And for me, it is just not just that. I think every important day that I spent in my life, your first job interview, if you're a kid in the 70s, your first job interview, your dad used to take you to a Raymond shop and used to get a suit. So I think the Raymond in your life has always been an important part growing up. And yeah, I mean, felt amazing to be a part of that again.
What do you think is the most stylish? Who do you think is the most stylish person in the industry and why?
I think in their own ways, I always say Ranbir and Ranveer both are stylish in their own ways. Ranveer for the confidence to carry everything with so much ease and make it a part of him, and Ranbir to carry grace and ease and comfort and be himself and express that in whatever he wears.
So, if you could steal one item from your father's wardrobe, what would it be?
His watches.
And how has your fashion sense evolved over the years, and what role does comfort play in your fashion choices?
I think fashion sense for me has evolved over the years. I now dress for myself. That is the biggest change that has happened over a period of time. I want to be sure of my day, and I want my clothes to express me, but at the same time, I want that functionality from wearing something for a long time, long day, and the ease and the comfort.
Are there any fashion rules like you to break or experiment with?
For me, honestly, there are no rules in cooking. There are no rules in fashion. But I want to look at making lungi mainstream. I think that is something that I want to do with menswear.
Can you recall any memorable fashion moment from any childhood or growing up that influenced your sense of style?
I think growing up for me, it was my grandfather's army uniform. I think the ultimate expression of fashion and what wearing something can do and change you is when you see an army man or an Air Force person or a Navy person wear his uniform. I think that is the ultimate expression of wearing something and becoming a different person.
So social media today is filled with wide range of opinions and criticism, and it often seems like everyone has a pick of choice, thoughts, and almost everything. People have become very more sensitive. So, what's your perspective on this? Everyone has become like a fashion police. So, what's your take on that?
I think each one to themselves. I always say, whether it's cooking or fashion, it's a matter of expression. Each one to themselves.
So, lastly, about your future projects.
Future projects, there is a book coming on poetry and photography, not on food, the next one. और उसके सिवाय एक शो और आ रहा है Amazon पे, it's called माँ कसम. And Dubai में we're opening our second restaurant next month.
जब रणवीर से पूछा गया कि क्या वो कोई फैशन रूल फॉलो करते हैं या तोड़ते हैं, तो उन्होंने किचन और रनवे के बीच एक इंटरेस्टिंग कंपैरिजन किया। उन्होंने कहा, मेरे लिए ऑनेस्टली कुकिंग और फैशन में कोई रूल नहीं है, लेकिन मैं चाहता हूँ कि लुंगी को मेन स्ट्रीम बनाया जाए। वहीं प्रोफेशनल फ्रेंड की बात करें तो रणवीर बरार जल्द ही आने वाली सीरीज माँ कसम में नजर आएंगे, जिसमें उनके साथ होंगी टैलेंटेड एक्ट्रेस मोना सिंह। रणवीर इससे पहले करीना कपूर खान की सस्पेंस थ्रिलर द बंकिंघम मर्डरर्स में दिखे थे।